gonna try this Meguiar's air refreshener. It's supposed to refresh your whole car. Odor eliminating, supposed to get everywhere. I bought two. I bought one for me and one for my dad. And my dad's truck is gonna be the guinea pig. It's a pretty good one to test on. He is a smoker and he smokes in his truck. No F's are given from him. So what we're gonna do, make sure that didn't open, is get in here, and this will be a very, very good vehicle to try this on. So the directions, I'm supposed to start the car and put it on high, AC on high. And supposed to be on cold. We're gonna put it as cold as it goes. Supposed to circulate, so we're gonna press that. And after that, it's almost like a bug bomb if you've ever used one of those in your house. So you're gonna press this down, it's gonna lock, and I'm gonna set it right here. I really hope this doesn't spray me. Okay. So after that, we leave it for 15 minutes running and come back in and air it out for 15 minutes. It's pretty easy. So here we go. I really hope I don't get sprayed in the face. Oh my gosh, pretty sure I did. Okay. Oh yeah, I definitely got sprayed in the side of the head. All right, so we're gonna let that do its thing for 15 minutes and then I'm gonna go back and turn the car off and roll down all the windows. You let it air out for 15 more minutes and then it's done. So we're gonna try it. We're gonna turn off the truck and roll down all the windows. And we will wait another 15 minutes, let it air out, and then I'll come back and give it a sniff. So it has been a minute since I did the last few clips. I went and rolled all the windows up in my dad's truck. The smell, obviously, still there. It's going to weaken as time progresses. That's kind of a given, but the smell, it almost smells like you have an air freshener in the car. The smell is new car smell. There are a lot of other options like black chrome and then some like fruitier kind or sweeter kinds. I went with the new car smell. I wanna say they're like $6.97 a piece at Target. I looked on Amazon and they are like $5. So if you're not in a hurry, just buy them on Amazon. They're a little bit cheaper. If you don't care about the price, like I said, you can pick them up at Target, Walmart, that kind of thing. But we did the new car smell. I went ahead and did it in my car because I liked the way that it did in my dad's car. So I did the exact same thing. I personally try and go as long as I can without putting any kind of air freshener in my car. I've had the car almost a year, so the new car smell is gone now. And I actually just bought my first air freshener for it like a week ago. I think 30 to 60 days, depending on how much you're in and out of your car and the different smells that are going in and out. Dependent upon a lot of factors, that's how often you have to end up doing this. So as of right now, I'm impressed. It's easy. It seems like an easy fix to get that new car smell back in your car. So yeah, I definitely recommend it at this point. And that is it. If you want to try it, then gung ho, it's easy.